How to fix Shadowban on YouTube Shorts. So over here you have a few options to uh, help with you to potentially help you fix this Shadowban issue, since there isn't really a manual or technically direct way to help you with this, but maybe some indirect way that could help you. So first you're gonna have to check if you're actually Shadowban. So check these sides of Shadowban, and if it is as so, then that means you are. But anyways, the second, after doing the checking, just go ahead and remove or edit problematic shorts. So if YouTube flags certain videos, it can suppress the whole channel. So you should delete or set to private any shorts with these over here. So just go ahead and pause the video if you want to take a look. Well, once you do this, it could help you with the shadow ban in your channel. So privating does work better than deleting, since it allows your channel to reset. Next is to stop posting for 48 to 72 hours. This is known as an algorithm cooldown, since YouTube stops pushing channels that post too frequently or spam similar content. So give the system time to re-evaluate your channel. Next is to upload fresh and 100% original content. Your next upload should follow a reset style, and the best recovery short includes your own voice or face, no music of course, no reused clips, clear story or quick tutorial, and 15 to 18 seconds, which performs great in a 2025 algorithm. So this signals to YouTube that you are a genuine creator again. Another is to fix metadata issues. So shadow bans can come from spammy metadata. So hashtag spam, clickbait or misleading titles, duplicate title across multiple videos or bad topics. Just go ahead and check on those and remove those. If you do use AI generated titles or descriptions, you can simplify them as well. So don't just fully copy paste what AI gives to you. You can use that as a idea based from that, and don't let it just take over your channel. You're still you, and you do still have a brain you can use. Do use that so that you can create more original content. You can also try avoiding engagement manipulation. If YouTube detects unnatural engagement, you can get suppressed. So stop buying views or likes if you are doing that. If not, then that's good. Using sub for subgroups, commenting follow for follow, sharing your short in engagement pods. So that is unnatural engagement, which can get you suppressed. So YouTube is strict with this, especially this year, and pretty much for a while now. You can also check your copyright guidelines. So go to YouTube Studio, content, filter, and then copyright checks. Fix or remove anything showing these over here, since these does lower your thresh score and cause suppression. Then clear channel topic confusion, since YouTube sometimes suppresses channels that post random unrelated niches. So pick 1 to 2 niches and stick to them for at least 1 to 2 weeks. Examples are these over here, like tech tips, tutorials, comedy skits, and more. This helps the algorithm know who to push your videos to. And finally, rebuild your channel trust score. Do these for the next 1 to 2 weeks. Upload consistently, one short every these times after the break. Add voiceovers, keep shorts between 6 to 20 seconds, maintain high retention, which is 70+%, and use 1 to 3 relevant keywords in the title only. So these are some ways you can help fix the shadow ban in your shorts. If none of these work, you can always try contacting support. Maybe something is going wrong, but hopefully one of these can work, and hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.